at Madlang Commission of Inquiry. So it testimony Kate Matala, it seems as if everybody or everyone was reporting Kumswazi or the leading taxi boss Ebelapa at Pretoria. So this testimony, it was led by Advocate Adila Hasim and Advocate Mahlapi Silo. As always, we start with Unomsindo, Iloyala Kate Matala, Lishaute, Singagezanga next. So Iloyala Kate Matala, Mnangtandile Vele, when she was placed a space in Sake, because she always want to interject and futi akulume nalanga melanga kulume kon. So some of the questions that they were posed to Kate Matala, according to Madlang Commission 10.6 ruling or request to you must submit your affidavit. It was SAPS Medicare, of which Kate Matala he responded with his testimony, which he doesn't want to comment or further anything because he doesn't want to self-incriminate himself. It was giving Ubran Mokhotz, and as well as it was about EMPD, where he also said he didn't have any business dealings with EMPD except the providing the provincial protection to the mayor Campbell, and then also it was the Tshwane tender Medicare. So he also said he doesn't also want to comment further because that matter it's a sub judice and he doesn't want to self-incriminate himself. So I was so bored because Kate Matala he was going the Brown Mokhotzi route. I don't want to incriminate myself. So my fellow commissioners, there was the Annexure A. The Annexure A is a list of the SAPS officials that are accused in the Medicare contract, and senior counsel Waloyu Tebacho Kate Matala he choose a certain individuals that he wants to talk about in this Madlang Commission of Inquiry. So isn't that like the right thing, because you can't select the people of Unukulumangaba and then others you don't want to talk about them. And he was also asked about Naikumbula Indaba Impala that were given to Ushatrak Sibia Lawe our transporter nge ambulance. He also didn't want to comment about Indaba Leyo, and as well as Indaba Yama Blue Lights of Julius Mkhwanazi. Only said yena bano Julius Mkhwanazi, they are friends, but there's nothing. Julius Mkhwanazi was introduced by Mike van Wyk. Also, Iket VIP provided the services Gumswazi, the taxi late taxi boss, but besides local there was nothing. So also he had a relationship with Steve Mutsumi, where Babe business deal of 5 million rand, and then he only knew Steve Mutsumi through Umsibi. It looks like that everybody was reporting to Umsibi. And so also I said it does not have any business dealings with Ukatiso Molife, same as Usenzo Mchunu. But here's the catch, my fellow commissioners. Usenzo wanted to fire Khumalo, the one and only Khumalo lo wesiphoyisa. But he was told by Pegicelo Usenzo Mchunu wants to fire Khumalo. So Khumalo wanted to be replaced by Khan, meaning it means Udru, our very own national impempe Leah, who testified the previous week, she was correct about this. Because if ever Usenzo Beafunu Tosha Ukumal and I'm replacing Ukan, it means Drew was correct. Also, he said he had no business dealings with Ubran Mokhotzi. The only thing that he can say about Ubran Mokhotzi, Uyamozonda, he hates Ubran Mokhotzi because all of this nyaga agio, it is because of Ubran Mokhotzi. And also confirmed that he did discuss other issues with Unhlanhla Mkhwanazi when they met in KZ. And remember, Utupegicele also said Unhlanhla Mkhwanazi, there was a meeting between him and Uvusumuzi Matala. Vele I met Unhlanhla Mkhwanazi, and then there was other things that we discussed, and then Iloyala Kunomsindo interjected they will apply for in-camera application and then also the other things that there was a 15 million rand agreement between him and Sulman Karim as an oral agreement, and then like Babuza sibolekane 15 million rand kungana anything that is written down there is something that is written down. So supplementary statement needs to be submitted by before the 24th, because on the 24th and the 25th he's coming back in the Madlang Commission of Inquiry to give his full testimony because he needs to submit his supplementary because there were a lot of questions that they were asked to him athi angeka khona ukuwaphendula up until he needs to submit his supplementary because akakhona ukusenda ezinye izinto or akakhona ukwenza ezinye izinto because of he's under EDCS, Department of Correctional Services, ubochiwe. So, but mina, all I can tell you, my fellow commissioners, testimony ya Kate Matlala, it was seems as if khona amprotectago and usenzo mchunu kula macala wakhe. Maybe ufuna ukumcleaner or maybe uzama ukumprotector or I don't know. That looks like ukuthi usenzo mchunu ngathi umacingwane uzokuphuma ngembobe nalithi on this one. But all I'm asking myself ukuthi why athrowa Kate Matlala, I mean athrowa Bhekicele under the bus and Brown Mokgotsi. And then khumbule my fellow commissioners ukuthi there's also still Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi part 3 that is still sealed. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi still needs to come to Madlanga Commission of Inquiry and give a right of reply because he said I'm telling you commissioners good invite them, let them come and lie and then I will come back with another evidence. So Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, when he comes back, he will come back with another evidence. And also the other thing is that there was also a letter or a piece of paper that was written from Kgoshi Mampuru directed to, I think it was directed to an MKP member in KZN. That letter was read by Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi in the ad hoc committee, but that letter was not read in Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. I think Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, when he comes back, he will also read that letter. But what I foresee as well, I don't see Madlanga Commission of Inquiry iphela anytime soon because that list of the SAPS officials that they were listed there, it's a long list.
Bafowethu into ongayazi inkulu kakhulu kunawe wenganza kwethu uyabona ke manje si connect ama dots ama dots ke ngempela ke manje siphephuka nayo ke njoba ikate elimnyama lilapha kuMadlanga Commission kunezinto nje lokho ivela lokho liziveza saliveza ukuthi uBhekicele uBhekicele wamtshela ukuthi uMinister Mchunu noma lo owayenguminister osamisiwe uMchunu wamtshela ukuthi uMinister Mchunu ufuna ukuthi uxosha uGeneral Khumalo ufuna uxosha uGeneral Khumalo yena lo vela ngala isithombeni ebese efaka uGeneral Khan kusho uKate Matlala into othi wayitshelwa uBhekicele ukuthi uMinister uSenzo Mchunu yinto afuna ukuyenza ushintsho uguquko afuna ukulenza lokho ke sesingasho sithi ngempela ukugxambukela bathi ngesingisi mhlambe ke interference njengoba ke wayishilo uGeneral uKhumalo uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi ngempela kune political interference ekhona eyenzakalayo. Now we really understand the interference political interference should ukuthi umnomzana lo uSenzo Mchunu uma kuukuthi ukwazile ukuthi akhulume nalo ukuthi ufuna ukuthi kuxoshwe nansi inkuzimalanga le uKhumalo ukuze afake nangu uGeneral Khani asingazi ke noma ke uGeneral Khani ngempela yini noma nje amampunge nakhona akafanele ukuthi abo General Khani wafakwa we just drug dealer, that's all. So ke ngenza kwethu siyavela ke manje izinto kancane mas connect ukuthi ngempela kwaba khona ukugxambukela okwenziwa uMinister uSenzo Mchunu lapha lokho sikubiza ukuthi i-political interference kwenzeka ngempela njengokusho kukaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uma ngabe sesizwa ke sekufakaza ke uVusimuzi Kate Matlala ukuthi cha nansi into ayitshelwa uBhekicele ukuthi ayitshelo uSenzo Mchunu ukuthi ufuna ukuthi uSenzo Mchunu ufisa ukuthi usenze umchunu ufuna ukuxosha uKhumalo uGeneral Khumalo ebese esikhundleni lesaphezulu lapha laphana kwa crime intelligence ebese zofaka ke yena ke uGeneral Khan. So uma uyibheka ke lento ngempela uyabona ukuthi ayahlangana ke manje amadothi siya la esifuna ukuya khona kuyacaca ukuthi lolu hambo luya kuphi. Okunye futhi engithanda ukuveza ikhona ukuthi odabeni lika Brown Mokgotsi uVusimuzi Khet Matlala ukuveze ngokusobala ukuthi umuntu amzondayo ngempela nje I hates uBrown Mokgotsi because ukuxhumana kwakhe noBrown Mokgotsi ubeka ngokuthi yilapho khona abhekana nezinkinga eziningi waxhumana nezinkinga eziningi ngokuthi kuqale ukuthi kuhlangane azane noBrown Mokgotsi uyakuveza futhi ukuthi uBrown Mokgotsi uqala kumxhuma kakhulu ngalesikhathi esebo manje laphana kuMadlanga Commission sinekade elimnyama phela uVusimuzi Khet Matlala ulapha ke kuMadlanga namhlanje kanye naye uadvocate wakhe lo ugogo uMlungu ukhuluma kakhulu uyakhuluma nangogogo uMlungu kakhulu impela very good at-argution uyayisebenzela imali yakhe kanzima into esinotisayo nje igiya eseqale ngalo lapha kuMadlanga Commission ilona lelo giya lelo phela besikade silazo ukuthi khona izinto ezizovela lapho azothi khona uVusimuzi Khet Matlala akafuni ukuzi-incriminator okusho ukuthi phela akafuni ukuthi ukuzishisa yena so ke ezinye zezinto ekuzofuneka sizilindele ezizokwenzeka emibuzweni eminingi ngoba uzocasha ngokuthi ezinye zezinto zise under ama-investigation njengoba esekwi-custody njengoba esesenkantolo esaboshiwe esahamba amacala okunye kusa-investigatwa okunye uma sibheka nje kakhulu okubalekile okokuqala bekuyikhona ukuthi kuzofuneka achaze ngezimpala lezi azidonetha laphana ku-Shedrack kulokhuzana noShedrack Sibiya. Yes uyena u-deputy commissioner uSibiya ukuthi kufuneke achaze kabanzi ngalama lezi impala lezi azidonetha lapha kuSibiya ukuthi kumalelana nani kufuneka achaze ukuthi kwakungani lezi impala ziye lapha also ne-guest house ayithengela loSibiya. So ke lapho ke already nje usevele abaqala bathi cha kune-recording ekhona aseyilalelile lapho khona i-state advocate esathi lapho leyo recording ise under investigation. So ngokunjalo ke ukubeke kwabasobala ukuthi cha uzocela ukuthi angangeni lapho noma angakhulumi ngalokho okwamanje ngenxa yokuthi leyo recording ise under investigation. So ke kubukeka ke kuyinto engase kube yinto esizoyizwa kakhulu lapho uVusimuzi Khet Matlala eqhubeka nokuthula ubufakazi ukuthi khona ezinye zezinto angeze ukwazi ukuthi azikhulume noma azivikele ebese esebenzisa igama leli bonke abalisebenzisayo lokuthi akafuni ukuzi-incriminator. Mhlambe nje ngokujwayelekile abanye abantu wethu omunye umuntu no angifuni ukusidubula ozwanili akafuni ukubhekisa isibhamu asibhekise ngakuyena okusho ukuthi njengoba lokho ethi nje angifuni ukuzi-incriminator kuzoba inkinga ngempela komuntu uma ngabe kuwukuthi ubuzwa imibuzo kube khona izinto ezizojumpa. Kodwa ke ukuvezile ngokuthi kune affidavit ebizwa ukuthi i-supplementary affidavit lapho khona azothi mase ready ukukhuluma ngayo le mibuzo obuzwa ngezimpala lapho khona azokufaka khona kwi-supplementary affidavit yakhe lapho khona azokukhuluma okusho ukuthi ke namhlanje ngicabanga ukuthi kuzogcilwa imibuzo ezintweni ezithizeni kodwa futhi kukhona lapho khona azophinde ajampe khona afuna ukuthi athi cha angifuni ukuzi-incriminator ukuthi ngikhulume ngalolu daba. Ngicabanga ukuthi iyona nto kakhulukazi namhlanje lapha esizobona khona ukuthi uzozidefenda kakhulu ekutheni kunezinto angeze ukukhuluma ngazo kakhulu, kodwa asazi ilanga ukuthi liyoshona linjani, ngoba siyabona ukuthi no-advocate wakhe ukhona lapha futhi uzimisela ukuthi am-assiste angene emlonyeni yabo-advocate lapha Moloyi, angene emlonyeni yo-advocate abaningi bona laba balapha, also neku-commissioner uchair wethu lapha uJaji Madlanga, ukuthi sizombona u-advocate engena kakhulukazi emlonyeni, ngoba sesike sambona futhi ethi uzama ukungena uSithole emlonyeni, wathi uSithole cha, no, ima kancane ngilinde, this is my time, ang-address wena, ngi-addressa lapha, ima nje kancane ungangeni la. Kuzokwenzeka kuzoba khona-ke lokho distebhana lapha nalapha ekufuneke sikulindele okuzokwenzeka, because uma kukhona u-advocate ezo-representa, of which this is not a court, iMadlanga Commission, kumele ngempela ukuthi uVusimuzi Khet Matlala athule ngempela ubufakazi bakhe ngaphandle kokuthi kudistebheke, ngoba akusiyona ikhothe ezobopha la uVusimuzi Khet Matlala, kodwa vese uVusimuzi Khet Matlala uyisiboshwa njobe kwi-custody. Kuzofuneka amyekele u-advocate wakhe lona, amyeke, excuse me, aqhubeke nokuthi athule ubufakazi bakhe ngaphandle kokuthi aqambukele noma aphazamise i-commission, iMadlanga Commission. Kodwa kubukeka ngempela kuzosazo luselude usuku lo namhlanje, nakusasa kuzodinga abuye aqhubeke nobufakazi. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi namhlanje umhlaka bani, namhlanje sibo umhlaka 17, ngoba ngomhla ka-18, ngomhla ka-19 silindele u-Adams, silindele uFediel Adams ozovela ngomhla ka-19, okungenzeka ukuthi uVusimuzi Khet Matlala sibe naye till today and tomorrow, asazobuye futhi abuye, ngoba ziningi izinto azobe ngayiphendulile kulesi sikhathi samanje. Ngicabanga ukuthi uhambo lisazoba kude, ngoba ikati elimnyama luyazivikela nabameli balo bazoluyivikela futhi ikati elimnyama. Kodwa khona yonke imibuzo iMadlanga Commission kuzofuneka ukuthi iyibuzile futhi iphelile, kumnyama kubovu. Athini-ke ama-comment enu bafowethu lana ake sona ama-comment enu thathini lana kuma-comment section, and nizwe nani ukuthi nicabangani, nibona ukuthi mhlawumbe izoya kuphi, izophela kanjani. Kodwa mina ngibona ngathi kuzodefendwa lana, because kunale themukazi yokuthi I don't want to incriminate myself. Ayike angiyithandi kahle leyo themu, ngoba umuntu usuke ezozi defender straight away until kushone ilanga. Thank you, siyabonga, sobe sibona.
Hey bafowethu, testimony kaVusimuzi Khet Matlala ithe sa phansi kwabo bunewunewu kaloku abantu ukubonakala into yoba basondelene naye. Ndithense nexhala nisazibuza into yoba iMadlanga Commission izo-strategize njani itestimony kaVusimuzi Khet Matlala. Yathi iMadlanga Commission nhla nansi annexure le list yamapolisa wodwa. Sicela usixelele Vusimuzi Khet Matlala ubudlelwano bakho nalamapolisa lana. Sixelele yintoni lokudibanisa nabantu basemthethweni wena. Niyabona ke aba ba-highlightiwe ngaba kavele wangaphendula nokuphendula ngabo aba ba-highlightiwe. Phansi koba ke kubonakala into yoba basondele kakhulu ngabasenyongweni aba. Hayi ke ababanye yakhona nento ethi ama-co-accused abaka-accuswa nabo kula case ye-Medicare 24 akazungena nje kubo because usaba ukuzi-incriminate. Ndiyitshilo ke lento izolo xa bengisitsho into yoba uzo-appear uVusimuzi Khet Matlala, but ndatsho nje ndathi into ne-Medicare 24 uzothi bambapha ayeke because uzathi nje icase yakhona iphi ise-court. Yathi iMadlanga Commission xa ugqiba ngale list nhla ilist yesibini uzusixelela into yoba orhunta aba bona ubudlelwane bakho nabo yini. Hey bafowethu, before singena ku-testimony kaVusimuzi Khet Matlala, niyayazi mos into noVusimuzi Khet Matlala kumele into yoba i-security sithightenishwe, kumeke sure nje yonke into ihamba ngolayini. Namhlanje ngabo-7 iMadlanga Commission kuvele kwathiwa nansi kukhala into yomlilo, aphi alarm yomlilo. Hey ndinixelela uba i-firefighters, fire brigade hayi bebengabaleki bebesenza umhlolo khona phi khona pha ngabo-7. Bengiqala ukubona mina namhlanje i-journalist, i-media le ilapha ngaphandle kulindwa amagqwetha we-witness. ngama uyigqwetha kaVusimuzi Kate Matlala bafethu into ezithe xa zafika ziphethe inkalakatha ingqumbi zamabox enje xa ndiwazijonga ndazibuza uba ibe lamabox aphetheni sifazi ke bafowethu ngamaphepha apha zangena hayi bathe befika vele kwacelwa nje few minutes into abakuke kuajenwe because igqwetha beline unfinished business noVusimuzi Kate Matlala because ingathi ezinye ze documents bazifumene late from kwiside le Madlanga Commission meaning bazifumene just izolo hayi ke yavunyelwa lonto le bahamba babuya xa bebuya hayi bafowethu uadvocate Silo wathi ndizokonda ngaye ngokwami ndizozibambela ngokwami ezi intambo enye ke phofu sizompakanyela noadvocate Hasini zamane ndiphasa nje ibhola phi ngapha kodwa yena hayi unilingene bafowethu yabona elagqwetha likaVusimuzi Kate Matlala hayi bafowethu belihlahlala lithathane noadvocate Silo hayi bo commissioner Madlanga uzokwanyanzeleka bantwana noma makangenelele into yoba hayi bo kaloku le into ndiyayibona biyaphi ngoba xa uVusimuzi ebuzwa imibuzo kuthiwa hayi uzazi incriminator hayi i-under investigation hayi imetha isecourt into ezifana nezo nje wathi because ndiyabona saba nalo ngxakileyo andiyazi basizawudila njani phathi nje yafuna noma masize necebo loba sizadila njani nale ingxaki waba ungapha ucommissioner Baloyi wathi nje ekhona apha ethe xa kebuzwa khona imibuzo wafuna ukumphendulela igqwetha eliphendulela uVusimuzi Kate Matlala wabeka idolo phansi ucommissioner Baloyi wathi kaloku le conduct akayenzayo improper yoba aphendulele uVusimuzi imibuzo hayi bophi wabese ke thatha istaff khona apho advocate Silo wathi nje iyangiphazamisa nami into abazofuna ukuphendulana nemibuzo as if ufuna ukuba yiwitness ubufuna ukuba yiwitness kaloku elgqoda malicho ndimrhabelele nje naye ndim-invite pha kwi-witness box avele abe-witness once than into yoba amane ezon-interrupta because unisebenzisa nzima ngapha kukhona apha engichaze khona bafethu uMbulazi uCommissioner Khumalo kule nto yakhe akayenzayo and I think after uCommissioner Khumalo kuye kwadodobala hayi noba uMbulazi kuthethwe wavakala because okeyenza mosilolele bhulu okolmana senza nalento lena kukhona apho ke ngoku kudilwa nento lona yo leyo kumane kubuzwa imibuzo kuthi hayi under investigation hayi iDEC wathi uMbulazi angiyicingi into basivele sibuze iDEC into ba ingabe le matter lena under investigation na ukwenzela into ba uba ikho under investigation sikwazi basiqhubeke ngayo because lo back and forth awuzusebenzela ncama uthe sazama ukusabela into efana naleyo phofu ujongene noadvocate Silo because umbuzo beke uhlaba kuadvocate Silo uyaphendula lo mama wathi nje isandla wathi no wathi angathethi nawe yakho 10 years ngoku ndisathetha noadvocate Silo wena nje brika nedaso amadoda ndathi ziyakhala hayi ke after ke wamphakela uthuba elo siyangena ke ngokusithe singena kwathiwa backlap kwathiwa fasana ama seatbelt ku-advocate Silo bafowethu advocate Silo engena bese ke gadla already ungena kumcimbi okwenza noVusimuzi Kate Matlala okubonakala ingathi ngophunyuka bemphetha apha esipoliseni uthi enama charges awithdraw uthi ne cases azicinywe uthi egwekiwe izigwebo zakhe nje zivele zincitshiswe into uze nje nezakhe isuba niyazikhumbula ezazike zathetheka ngoVusimuzi Kate Matlala sasizivile ke phofu I think kwakuthiwa une cases I think about 18 kulo 8 zivele nje izinyamalale nje ziyadliwa nje cases kaVusimuzi Kate Matlala ngele language esakwazi kuba si-understand thina so uza ngalonto hayi bafethu usivumile uVusimuzi Kate Matlala yabona uthe xa sithi khona wayeyigwetywe i8 years waseve 18 months ndathi ya nansi into uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wayithetha ngayo hayi kungena apha kubudlelwane ke ngokusingaye apha ekuqaleni abantu bokuqala in fact number 1 elistini bokuminister Senzo Mchunu sifuna ukwazi ubudlelwane bukaVusimuzi Kate Matlala nominister Senzo Mchunu hayi bafowethu uthe nje akamazi uminister Senzo Mchunu akakazadibane naye but xa ethetha uyeva umnqweno wokudibana nominister Senzo Mchunu ubukhona but according to yena uthi akamazi ningalibalanga ikhona thina la letter esiyaziyo uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi eyafundwa mhla return back to iADOC okwabonakala ingathi yomuntu beke sesiseleni noVusimuzi Kate Matlala ingathi iyathetha izinto emfakayo uminister Senzo Mchunu but according to yena uthakamazi uminister Senzo Mchunu except obudlelwane enza uthetha ngabo xa sesingena kumcimbi ka Brown Mkhotsi kubudlelwane buka Vusimuzi Kate Matlala plus uBrown Mkhotsi number 2 uGeneral Feroz Khani akamazi akakazadibane naye uFani Mulife lo akwa finance kwelacala lesesipoliseni akamazi akakazadibane naye uPhahlani uyamazi but according to yena ungathi uthi umazi sekephumile lapha esipoliseni wayengasenaso isikhundla ncama lapha esipoliseni unobo nje ubudlelwane kubonakala ngathi bukhona General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi nabo apha baye bathatha nje thukanyana. uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi apha kwi-statement esakhe it was only 2 lines. uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uyamazi but uke wadibana nje naye on one occasion. La occasion siyayikhumbula ke yile eyafika yathethwa nguGeneral Sinonapha kuMadlanga Commission apho bakubonakala into babahamba bayodibana. Hayi ke kuzama ukunderstand into yinto yadiscusswa kula meeting. Hayi because ingathi faka iMedicare 24 akafuni ukuziimplicate akazungena kuyo ncam uzabamba nje ayeke uzathi nje hayi bonjani njalo i-rights zakhe vele ziyamvumela into yoba angazi-self incriminate especially since imetha ye-Medicare 24 iphi ise-court. Yinto yadiscuss. Hayi man uVusimuzi Khet Matlala athi but there is another matter which was discussed. Le other matter ke ngoku which was discussed angafuni ukuyitsho ncam but athi nexa kezayitsho because it's not fully direct to iMedicare. Axa kezayithetha igqwetha elili interrupt lithi no indirectly le matter i-linked apha. So siphethe singayivanga into ba lento yesibini yokubonakala ingathi uthi uVusimuzi Khet Matlala wayidiscussa no General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wethu yini asiyivanga bafowethu but ke singabe sisho nje ba zizinto akazithethile then wonke njengoba ndichilo ba yonke ababanye abahighlightiwe hayi uthe nje akafuni ukuthetha ngabo ncam because uzazi implicator uyosaba ukuthini ukuthi azidubule ngompu yena phi kubhontsulu kwakhe into engathi njalo hayi ke kuyaqhubeka mosa akumiwanga kungelwa ke ngoku nakulamanye amagama because ukuza understand ba so uzasebenzisa nzima mos uzathi sithini ngalamagama okubonakala but ke uthembisile into ba kwi-supplementary statement inoba ikhona into ebheterinyana akazaphinde asixele yona phansi kwaba ke phofu uVusimuzi Khet Matlala engagqibanga ebuya nge-24 ka-August 2026 which is going to be next week Monday. Uyaqhubeka bafethu uVusimuzi Khet Matlala ungena kule list yesibini which is a bit interesting but I was not fully happy with aba ngoba ikhona into eninzi mose silindele ukuyiva ngoba ubudlelwane bakhe nalapha esipoliseni esibona ingathi asezuyifumana ncam but ke ndiyichilo kwayizolo xa bengisithi uba uVusimuzi Khet Matlala uzo appear into yoba nje kungenzeka into ezineMedicare 24 uzwabambe nje athina yeke. Singene kwilist yesibini. Le list yesibini bafowethu unumber 1 wale list lena ngutata uMthibi. Ngutata uMthibi owayeyi-ruthless taxi boss. Bafowethu ongasekhoyo kubonakala ingathi abantu abaninzi abakule list uthi yena ubazi through uTata uMnisi. Ndingekho sure uthi ngutata uMnisi because akasekho uTata uMnisi for ukuzithethelela okanye nyani wadibana nabo through uTata uMnisi but ndizaza nabo ngoline aba because kulapho ewafocusa khona kakhulu kwelicala as opposed to ngapha. Hayi umcimbi onokwenzana no General Shadrack Sibiya impala ukudeliver kwempala ama properties nani hayi bafowethu uthe uyosaba ukuzi-incriminator. So there isn't really much that was discussed kwicala lasesipoliseni but asingeneni kwilicala. Bafethu kule list yesibini uVusimuzi Khet Matlala uyabutsho ubudlelwane bakhe noTata uMnisi the ruthless taxi boss ongasekhoyo. Tata lona kubonakala into ba ubudlelwane bakhe uthi yena it is because uVusimuzi Khet Matlala lona offer ama services since ene security company so i-protection bekeyifumana phi apha kuVusimuzi Khet Matlala since ke ono taxi i-taxi owners zihlalhlale kunyanzeleka into ba mazivikelane nempilo zabo ngoba nje bayadubulana bafethi bayathumana uphuthu nje ama taxi owners kulento yabo yokuba ne taxi. Uyakhona into ethi nje because wayena ama taxi nje amaninzi I think uthe over 200 something like that but ke ubudlelwane bakhona bebu even outside apho ngoba bekekeni uVusimuzi Khet Matlala abizwe ngoba ngusani kutata bani uTata uMnisi lona so there isn't really much akaye wadwela kuyo ncam ngomnisi. Number 2 nguSteve Mutsomi. Bafethu ningalibalanga igama lika Steve Mutsomi liya kaloku bokungugama libizwa so siyayo ukubizwa abanye baze bathi ngixolile ukulibhala phansi than into bandilibize. So uSteve Mutsomi lona uthi uyamazi umazi through uTata uMsibi. Hayi bafethu ubudlelwane bakhe sonke bebemane bebumper into each other inoba apha kwaMsibi bawaze uVusimuzi Khet Matlala wanesibindi soba nje ngelinye imini amhlabe ngephone call leyo udinga iloan udinga nje 5 meter bafethu 5 million akanabudlelwane boba buclose bazichomi but njengoba utata uMtsumi lona naye une security company uyazi baba ke bayikubone bakwi industry nje i1 wakwazi into ba athi naboleka i5 million notata uMtsumi azangabuza into ezininzi hayi ke ngathi contract ikhona nje eBlack and White emalunga nokwenza nalo loan leyo ye5 million okubonakala ingathi yaze yabi yabhataleka imali yakhona but nje uyamazi ubani uSteve Mtsumi emazi through utata uMsibi lona bonakala into ba uSteve Mtsumi bekanobudlelwane noMsibi yiyo nje into engathi uyithe xa kayithetha nathi uyi5 meter bafowethu hayi futhi commissioners zake zazinza into yoba yintoni into engakwenza into yoba uvele nje umuntu akwazi nje uba akuboleke nje 5 million phansi koba usithi you guys are not friends, are not close. Hayi uthe nje phansi koba kinoba noba bebebana bedibana apha nje hayi wakwazi baneso sibindi eso and naye azange sokolisa utata uSteven Mtsumi. Hey bafowethu lona nguphathi wethu testimony kaVusimuzi Khet Matlala. Uphathi 1 kulapho sesafocus khona kwilist yasesipoliseni andithi Madlanga Commission ivele yamdubula ngelist ezimbini. Eyokuqala ilist njende inabantu basesipoliseni okumele into ba explain ubudlelwane bakhe uVusimuzi Khet Matlala nabo abo bantu abo. Hayi ke list yesibini inama questionable nje characters nakhona kumele explain into yoba ubudlelwane bakhe naba bantu bayintoni. Yiyo ke list ebendibhizi ngayo from kuphathi 1 ndithethe number 1 ongutata uMsibi. Tata uMsibi wayeyitaxi boss ongasekhoyo. Number 2 ngutata uSteve Mtsumi. Steve Mtsumi lokubonakala ingathi bokungugama libizwa nje abantu bezesaba nokubiza igama lakhe. Hayi ke apho uvele wasidubula ngenkunzi zendaba uVusimuzi Khet Matlala into banje apha uke wabolekwa nje i5 meter yonke. Phofu ke umuntu akuboleke nje i5 meter ngabe indaba zalutho umuntu othi aniqhelana ngancam nje hayi akusona ukuthi khona isecurity ukubone ikhona into zathi hayi ndendabambisa ngento ethile uthethe nje into efana naleyo number 2. Singena number 3 ke ngoku kule video before enhleke ngena hey bafethu yabona uthi xa kengena namhlanje phaka kuMadlanga Commission uVusimuzi Khet Matlala ndibona neza ketani into ba hey bafethu neketani enizikhululiwe ndathi akuzibindi kwaMadlanga Commission hayi ke sharp. So number 3 nguMike van Wyk. uMike van Wyk ngulo kwakumele ba ubuze apha kuMadlanga Commission bavele bathi usevescopisi ingathi nje uyingqondo ibambiyeka benza lanto yenayo so uphathe niphasele abantu abakuMadlanga ward. Mike van Wyk lona okubonakala ingathi ngoyena umuntu omdibanise no Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi. Udibana phi wena Vusimuzi nalo Mike van Wyk? Hayi ingathi indoda abahlala kwi-estate nje A1 hayi ke bebemane nje bedibana Mike lobe kayena kwa Vusimuzi Khet Matlala ayobuka nje fleet nje yemoto zikaVusimuzi Khet Matlala nje collection nje yakhe nje ehamba nonyana yakhe babe bayaqhelana nalo Mike van Wyk. Mike van Wyk umlinka kanjani no Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi njoba ke ubudlelwane budiyaniswa ngabo umuntu Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi ingathi ngumuntu beke soloko esiya kwi-clinic ownwa yiMedicare holdings not Medicare 24 lika Vusimuzi Khet Matlala okuyenye nje company. Hayi ke manje mbona apha embonapho bamazi into obusebenza phi waya wanobudlelwane no Vusimuzi Khet Matlala because une security company uVusimuzi Khet Matlala waya kulapho kwavela khona into ba maka offerishe uCity lowa oye DA into ba ahambe ayothini ayompi protection leke ngokulapho uqala khona la MOE but asigenanga kumcimbi weMOE because nayo nje akafuna ukuzimplicate uVusimuzi Khet Matlala ngento nokwenza neMedicare 24 since ebusy ecourt ngayo. So ubudlelwane bakhona nje bulapho. So uMike van Wyk nguye umuntu othini omlinkayo. Mike van Wyk lo obeke yiCEO yecompany yakhe. Siphuma kuMike van Wyk singena number 4 ngu-Ignatius Mthakathi ne nizakhumbula na kuma chats ikavela into nomthakathi phakathi hayi akanabudlelwane encam nomthakathi akana business transaction akunazi deals nje akake wazenza nje naye. Omnye kulandele uAndrew Mthethwa hayi noAndrew Mthethwa uyafana nje nomthakathi abanazi dealings ncam. Kulandele uBrown Mkhotsi yakhe bafethu inde into but nizawugqibela ngaye rather singena kuMorgan Maumela. uMorgan Maumela bafethu uthi ungumhlobo wakhe, ichomi yakhe uyayivuma lonto leyo. At some stage uMorgan Maumela wayeyi-CEO yecompany yakhe, I think iMedicare 24 lena, banobudlelwane, hence bebekwazi into bakusherana nomcimbi onokwenza nanemali nani nje, but nje hayi umvumile uVusimuzi Khet Matlala. And xa ndimqwalasela uVusimuzi Khet Matlala bafethu, ndinayo nje into engcingeze bafundi yasiqhatha, ndinayo into ethi inyani yena ukucula bekengacula, qha ingxaki ukucula kwakhe naye uzuthrowa under the bus. So yiyo nje into menza ba athethe abe nama bricks, otherwise yena hayi ukupora, hayi indoda ebonakala bibingapora leya. Because ngoba ubudlelwane phofu phansi ukulibala futhi obuka xa bekethetha ngendaba ka Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi, kukhona apha ebuzwe khona into yoba undo le company nizawukhumbula khona mos nenye company okuye inkosikazi kaVusimuzi Khet Matlala okuthwana yibenefitile phe kuruleni, naye yafumana nje tender nyane nokwenza training iacademy ntontonje company yakhona. Hayi ke uVusimuzi hayi bafethu uvumile qhawane nento ethi nje hayi akanabuhlobo ncam nala company ebengena shares kuyo, engana position, engenasikhundla, but ke ayichange le nto intoba yeyentini yinkosikazi yakhe la company. So nenkosikazi ibenefitile eMPD. Siqhubeke singena ke ngokuKarim Sulumane bafethu. Yabona into noKarim Sulumane bendimlindele mina uVusimuzi Khet Matlala into obuzomlahla under the bus, but nje hayi uthetha azibambe ukubone phofu eka Morgan Maumela bafethu akafunanga naye ukungena too deep, because uwavezile amagama athi icase okanye ideals zabo zi under investigation yeSIU, so akakwazi into ba athethe much ngayo lapho. Futhi xa kungelona kuKarim Sulumane, because mostly yabathengilisha nje kungena nakumcimbi nokwenza nama transaction, since ke yena noKarim Sulumane babebolekele ama 15 million, so ubhadale malini hayi akasakhumbulwa ebhadale malini, but xa bebesenza lo deal yabo phofi iagreement yale uKarim umboleki 15 million nje ngomlomo kadla yangena imali, ama terms and conditions yonke lonto ivumelana nje ngomlomo. And then kuukuthi nje uVusi yena each and every time inobe bhatalwa yiSAPS uzamane embhatala ama 10%, mane bhatala uKarim Sulumane ama 10%, ukuthi seke mbhatale emalini hayi akazi, akekho sho ngayo. Hayi ke kwafuna ungena kumcimbi nokwenza ukuthi sizawukwazi njani, because xa ungazi wena thina sizawukwazi njani. Hayi ama bank statement akakwazi nokwa access, accounts zakhe zifriziwe yonke lonto. Hayi ke yavela into ethi from ku Commissioner Madlanga into ba i-commission le, that means inawo ama-powers, izawahamba iyo requesta ezo bank statements ezo into ba kuzabonakala into ba yimalini imali engabe seyibhadaliwe. So nje niyayibona nje into yakhona nje ba ithini phansi koKarim lo ovele nje wathini wadla phansi. So that's more or less into nento akayazi into ba either ise court, either ya investigator whether i-IDEC okanye i-investigator ngamapolisa nje hayi akafuna ukuyibamba nje nomcimbi onokwenza no Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi ukhawuleze nje wafuna ukubhebhetha, because nje unento ethi hayi uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi une cases nje criminal cases akajongene nazo nami igama lami lihlahlale livele kuzo, so andikwazi ukuthetha deep ngazo. But ndinalo ke ithemba loba since esithembise ngesupplementary statement kuukuthi usezaphinda abuye nge-24 ka-August 2026, which is next week Monday, inoba uzawuqhubeka further explain further regarding this. Singena kumcimbi okwenza no Brown Mokgotsi bafowethu. Uwakhiphile uKhet Matlala amagama athi ndiyamzonda lo nguBrown Mokgotsi, ngoba uBrown Mokgotsi hey fake nje kwezinye nje ingxaki undenzela ingxaki ezinengxaki zazo ekubonakala ingathi futhi kuvele kwawesi nje after iarrestiwe ke watsho nje uBrown Mokgotsi into ba ubona ingathi yena ebefuna nje ukumsakhana nemali, kuukuthi Brown Mokgotsi lowo emsakha nje imali akekho sure whether unabo ubudlelwana noMinister Senzo Mchunu okanye akanabo uBrown Mokgotsi, because at some stage wake wathatha ifoni whether wayefonela uMinister Senzo Mchunu okanye wayesenza ngathi ufonela uMinister Senzo Mchunu hayi akayazi bafethu. Kulapho ke kuke wathathwa khona nanomcimbi ka umaluleka lo ubonakala into yoba ngowe-crime intelligence wayeke wahlala kwaVusimuzi Khet Matlala naye wanezigigabanyana nje zakhe uke wazotestify nalapha kuMadlanga commission yena lo. Hayi wayithasha nje into yakhe apho kubonakala behamba beyodibana ke ngathi nabo Brown Mokgotsi ku recordwa apho yonke lanto, but nje xa kethetha ngale testimony kaBrown Mokgotsi uvele hayi apho walumelela no former police minister uCele uminister Cele hayi bafethu akwonde ngayi umlahlele under the bus kuukuthi nakwa Adok niyakhumbula wayechila ba hayi into okuthenga wayemnikile nayi ke nalapha uyadibanisa ke into ba umuntu omenze into oba futhi abanesondela apha ku Brown Mkhothi nguye former police minister uBhekicele phansi koba uBhekicele wayenethemba loba uBrown Mkhothi lo ngendlela akathetha ngayo uzaba yilink ezabadibanisa no Minister Senzo Mchunu. Minister Senzo Mchunu okubonakala ngathi uyaplota ufuna ukususa uGeneral Dumisani Khumalo wethu afake uGeneral Khan. Amagama angathanjalo avelile hayi kumcimbo nokwenza nemali bekezinika uBrown Mkhothi hayi uzibeke apho o 20,000 to 150,000 nezo January 8 apho namatikiti weflight hayi uzibizile nje zonke okunye kamanye angafuni ukuthatha ngumcimbo nokwenza nala recording enizayikhumbula eke yadlalwa nguWitness C apha ubonakala ngathi ngowe PKTT le intengila ithethe nango General Shedrack Sibiya niyakhumbula mos la recording hayi ke nayo bafethu uthe nje isa dispute i recording yakhona under investigation so nje i testimony yakhe there was all this that was put before him but ebehlahlale athi high up andifuni kuzi implicator andifuni kuzi incriminator especially maybe under ipejari wakhiphile amagama afana nalo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosos Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Bantu abaningi bakhuluma ngecase yakhe Matlala about him, about his lawyer. People had a lot to say njengoba sibavile. Do comment umbono wakho wena down on the comment section. Kuthi ucabanga ngelicala lakhe la Matlala ucabangani ngayo yonke process ngalolo kushiwoko ngalolo kwendakala about this whole situation nje na uthini wakho umbono. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.